Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make two table in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open a document. Firstly going to the insert menu option and click for the table option. Then choose create a table. Then now I have select the middle row and columns option and going to the table border option and click for the no border option. Then again select the middle column and click for the no border option. That is okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.